Okay, children. So today we are going to discuss lab-minded activity 1, how to see the stomata under microscope. Okay, children, how to prepare temporary mount of how to prepare temporary mount of leaf peel to show stomata. To show stomata. Today we are going to discuss that. Children, very important. So before discussion on there, I will tell you what are the functions of stomata. What are the functions of stomata? Photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration. Photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration. And I'm sorry. The stomata, if you see, it will have two guard cells. Two guard cells are there which are kidney shaped. Two guard cells are there. It will have stomatal pores. It will have stomatal pore, and surrounding this epidermal cells are present. Surrounding this epidermal cells are present. Surrounding this epidermal cells are present. Epidermal cells. Okay, so this is structure of stomata. If you see stomata, children, on the if you see the leaf cross section, where are stomata present more, in upper surface and lower surface?
Lower surface of leaf.
Yes, stomata are present more on lower surface. Why stomata are present more on lower surface?
And transpiration.
Yeah, stomata are present more on lower surface of leaf. Why stomata are present more on lower surface of leaf? To prevent
excess transpiration.
To prevent transpiration. To prevent transpiration. To prevent excess transpiration. More stomata are present on lower surface of leaf. So when you are peeling the leaf peel also, you have to take lower surface because lower surfaces have more stomata. Lower surfaces will have more stomata. Upper surface will have less stomata. Okay, children. Now, what are the steps? Steps are very important, children. First step, children. What you have to take is first you have to take a leaf. Then you moisten it with some water. You just make it wet. Next, steps are important, children. Next, it is snapped backward with a sharp angle, and lower epidermis is taken. Some lower epidermis is taken. When you fold the leaf, you will get a small lower epidermis. Please, children, take lower epidermis only. Take lower epidermis. Okay, take lower epidermis. Okay, next. Add 1 to 2 drops of saffranin. This is very important. Add 1 to 2 drops of saffranin stain. Okay. And in small piece of epidermal. Okay, children. Now, what you do is add 1 to 2 drops of saffranin on the stomata or lower epidermis. Then what you do? You take a clean slide. You take a clean slide. After taking clean slide, add a drop of water. Add a drop of water and put cover slip on it. Put cover slip. Children, this is slide. On cover slip will be there. Tiny mirror like thing. Children, put a cover slip on it. Okay. After putting cover slip, 1 second. Okay. Drop of water and put a cover slip, put extra, and then with the help of children, what you do? First, add a drop of water, then you will put leaf peel. After putting leaf peel, put cover slip on it. Put cover slip on it. I hope you are able to understand, children. Okay, again I will explain, don't worry. Then, with the help of filter paper, surroundingly, excess water is there, remove excess water. Okay, children. So now you see first under low power. First you see under low power means 10x. Then you see under high power. High power means 40x in a microscope. In low power, you can't see epidermal cells. You can't see epidermal. Epidermal cells are not visible in low power. In high power, even epidermal cells you can see. Guard cells, stomata you can see. Even epidermal cells you can see. Okay, each stomata is good. Okay, what are the precautions? The epidermal should be kept hydrated. Always it should be wet. What are the precautions you will take? Always keep the leaf to be wet. Cover slip should be slowly kept. When you are putting the cover slip on the leaf, slowly you keep so that air bubbles won't come. On the mobile, when they keep that cover screen guard, how they put it like this. Okay, cover slip when you're cooking, you see that no air bubbles will come. And excess fluid you should train off using filter paper. Using filter paper, this is the steps. These are the steps to see the stomata under microscope. Okay, children, do to not understand. Slowly, I will tell you. Take a leaf, any nice, okay, green leaf. Bend it, fold it. When you fold it from lower surface, you get a leaf. You take the tiny pill, put in the water or drop. Now take a green slide. Children, to this leaf peel, you add saffranin stain. This is very important. Why? Means if you put saffranin stain, it will absorb saffranin stain. Under the microscope, you can see dark clearly because saffranin is red in color. You can see nicely clearly. You can see. Now, on the take a clean slide. On the clean slide, add one drop of water. Okay, add one drop of water, and then on the drop of water, put leaf peel. Then you put cover slip. Slowly you put cover slip. See the air bubbles. If excess water is there, remove it filter paper. First see under low power, then see under high power. When you see under low power, you can't see epidermal cells. When you see under high power, even 40x is high power, even epidermal cells you can see. What is the specialty? Means guard cells will have a big nucleus and chloroplast. Guard cells will have big nucleus and a chloroplast. Here, stomatal aperture will be there, where oxygen will go, CO2 will go, water will come out. All those things are surrounding this epidermal cells. What are the functions of stomata? Photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration. Stomata helps in photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration. Opening and closing of the stomata already we discussed yesterday. How open, how does it open and how does it close? Yesterday only I told. How stomata open and close? I told you yesterday. How stomata will open when guard cells absorb water. When guard cells absorb water, it becomes thick. Thick in scientific knowledge will say turgid. When it becomes turgid, it will open. And when does it close? When guard cells lose water. When guard cells lose water, it becomes thin. Thin means flaccid in the same scientific knowledge. Flaccid. When it becomes flaccid, it will close. So how stomata opening and closing? So guard cells are kidney shaped in dicots. Guard cells are kidney shaped in dicots, whereas guard cells are
Dumbbell shaped
in monocots. Dumbbell shaped in monocots. Guard cells are dumbbell shaped in monocots. These steps are very important. In the exam, they will give jumbled 5-6 steps, jumbled steps, and they'll ask you to arrange them orderly. So how I'm taking, you see the steps are very, very important. So you will see under low power, high power. In low power, you can't see epidermal cells. In high power, epidermal cells are also. This is temporary. Why? If more stomata are present on lower surface, to prevent transpiration. Why more stomata are present on lower surface of leaf? To prevent transpiration. Okay, children. So please see the description for the notes, children. Prepare this activity, first activity.